In a minute, I'm videoing Jason and Vanna playing in the snow.
Hurry up, Mama.
Hey! What are you doing to me? Hey! They're throwing snowballs at me. You see that?
Yeah.
Hey!
I got it off, Mama.
I'm covering the window with snow. I'm not going to be able to video them. That's enough.
You light a candle?
Did I?
Yeah.
No? Now Charles is doing it.
Tell them not to do it.
No more! Every one of them has to take a turn. No!
Well, the first one that breaks it, it's really going to be really wonderful and more wonderful stuff.
Charles! What do you think of all that white stuff, kitty kitty? That's sweet. You're going to be sitting in the back of the pickup and snow's going to come tumbling off the roof and laying right on you.
Oh, it's the oven getting hot. What?
You know, when snow comes tumbling off the roof, it's going to land right on you.
That's cool. I'll have more.
And there's not that much up there anyway.
Yeah, not that much.
And still snowing.
Daddy, can you come here again?